I'm back from Zeplin. Zeplin is a collaboration app for UI designers and front-end developers. Basically, you upload your designs and we turn them into specs and guidelines tailored to the platform you're working on. Now, I will quickly go over how you can use Zeplin in your workflow. First, let's start by creating a project. Let's name it, and I'll pick Android as the project type. There we go. Now it's time to upload some designs. If you're a developer like me, you can invite your designers from the dashboard, like so. But I happen to have a design on my desktop. Let's open it. Zeplin currently supports Sketch, and we do that by installing a plugin, which you can find under this menu here. Or you can just select an artboard and press Command E, which will also launch Zeplin, and you can select a project and import. Okay, let's quit Sketch and let's make this bigger. Now our designer doesn't really have to prepare a spec sheet, because as a developer I can just select this layer and see the size and all the other necessary stuff I need, like the background color, the border, shadows, and so on. Right now, as you can see, all the measurements are displayed in pixels, like so. You can hover over different layers and you will see the distances. But as an Android developer, I need the DP values, and I can do that by selecting the density of the screen. Let's pick XXHDPI, and now when I click on the layer, you can see that all the values are in DP. Same goes for iOS. If the designs are on 2x or 3x, we will do the conversion for you. Okay, if you pick a text layer, you can also see its font name, font size, and the color. We also display the content, and when you click it, we'll copy it to your clipboard so you can use it anywhere you want. Now, all the projects in Zeplin have a color palette, and all the colors you see here can be added to this palette by just clicking this icon here. And when you do, we also name these colors. Let's add a few more colors, like this one. Let's add the green color. Okay. All the colors are displayed in the Guideline tab. Also, all the fonts are displayed here. You can rename these colors if you want and change their values. Now, if you're a developer, you'll want to export these colors to use them in your projects. Let's do that. This is an Android project, so it will create a colors XML for you. For iOS, you can export UI color categories, and for web, CSS variables and other stuff like Sass or Less is supported. Before we go, let's add a quick note by just command clicking. The actual color is Dove Gray. This color actually exists in my guideline, so it is highlighted. This way you can represent colors in these notes. Well, this was a quick introduction to Zeplin. If you have any questions or suggestions, you can always reach us from our email, hi@zeplin.io. Thanks.